guys, how's it going? I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. So a couple months ago, Maggie and I went on a trip up to Oklahoma. We had so much fun, so we wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoy, and let's get into it, shall we?
Look at that. That's something else.
Yeah, it is.
Please don't fall. It's easier to walk back because you know you're walking towards safe land. But look what we found.
We found a fish, you guys.
It's a fish in a pool. Oh my gosh.
Wildlife.
Well, we've decided that we all have asthma now, but getting asthma is kind of worth it.
Welcome to the wilds of Oklahoma. Ooh, what's that?
Pretty, I don't know. Should have brought the book.
Pretty. I'll do my best next time. Probably should have brought a bigger bag too.
Definitely.
Up to our ankles in Broken Bow Lake.
It's better than like Texoma water.
Honestly. Or Camp Wow. Camp Wow was nasty. I wish the camera could take this all in at once, but it's gorgeous. Even with the clouds. That's an island right there, we think. That's an island. And that's Michaela. Wow. Yeah. Ah, karate! Woohoo!
You're looking very dramatic. It's like that one scene from the Keira Knightley Pride and Prejudice where she's just standing on the cliff looking.
There are a lot of movies with that scene in it.
True. Hola.
I can't exactly say we're heading down to the creek or we're heading at the creek. But
Yep.
we're heading down to the creek for
Yes.
the second time in the last 5 minutes.
Didn't bring the camera the first time. Should always remember to bring the camera everywhere.
It's probably a bad idea. Now it hurts because we're barefoot, but that's our fault.
It's more nature-like and stuff.
to skip a bunch of rocks today. I can't do it here because it's not still, but
Yeah.
no, let's do it.
Yeah, even I did a few, so proud of myself for that.
It's like perfect for carving.
That's really neat.
If it wasn't so wet, I'd stick it in my pocket.
Yeah.
But screw it, my pants were already wet, so I'm sticking it in my
True, yeah. I love river
paddleboarding.
walks.
No, we went canoeing and kayaking today.
Yes, we did. And it was
The
amazing.
Broken Bow, basically water center.
Yeah, paddle sports place.
And they had paddle boards and
Pedal boats.
canoes and kayaks.
Yeah.
And I'd never been kayaking, and she'd never been canoeing.
So,
So we got to
It's fun.
experience that. That was pretty fun. For about an hour there, and then just kind of explored north with Broken Bow.
which was
Washington is
amazing.
Beautiful. We
Yeah,
got
it
to
is.
see rain falling in the valley from like the top of the ridge.
It was
something else.
spectacular.
We were speechless.
So we came north to see some of the scenery. We stopped at a little pull-off spot along the road, and there's a rainstorm happening in the valley.
Crazy.
It's insane. This is not doing it justice. This is absolutely insane.
I'm speechless.
I know. So am I. There are no words for that.
So tell me again. How is there no God?
So then we proceeded to drive through the rain that we saw because we
It was a
came
sun
around the
shower.
mountain.
It was super
It was
cute. I
amazing.
loved it.
Yeah, it was fun.
I haven't seen the sun shower in a long time.
Yeah. Let's go that way. I want to explore.
Well,
I mean,
not barefoot.
good point. Hello, cool rock.
We need to make a How Can There Not Be a God series.
Yes, we totally do. Oh yes.
Or just
I'm
one
down.
big video of collages over however long it takes of videos of just awesome stuff that we find, like the rain in the valley.
Yeah,
How can God not exist?
right.
Beautiful.
Why are flowers different colors?
Excellent question. She's the one who brought that up. I never. Hey, it did skip.
Good job. Earlier when we were skipping stones, I got a few to skip.
I managed to skip it 3 times. I was so proud of myself
Yeah.
because I never skipped a stone.
I bet if you get this wet, it'll be quite red. Look at that color. That is amazing.
Well, that was the most fun I've had since quarantine started.
That was a lot of fun. I agree.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but like,
I miss Oklahoma.
Me too.
to be fair, it is in Arkansas.
It is pretty close.
I suggest Broken Bow and just Eastern Oklahoma in general.
It's pretty great. That's
Beautiful. I mean, it's not Colorado, but it's beautiful.
It is gorgeous.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll probably be posting more stuff like this if we ever do it. Thank you for watching. Power off. Hope to come back next year.
Me too. We're
We're
definitely
probably
doing
gonna film more footage for that.
We're beginner YouTubers right at the moment.
Because they're like, you haven't done that? I'm like, no. But I've done this, and they're like, that's weird. I know. It's fine. No, wait.